Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Yesterday was World Suicide Prevention Day. So today I thought that I'll talk about role of homeopathy in prevention of suicide. So a person decides to commit suicide for various reasons and homeopathy treats the root cause, thus preventing suicide. So before uh, telling you the role of homeopathy, first let us see some of the common causes why a person commits suicide. So the causes can be psychological or psychiatric, right? Such as depression, anxiety disorder, PTSD, which is post traumatic stress disorder, schizophrenia, bipolar disease, substance or alcohol abuse, right? It can be even due to stress, that is chronic stress or sudden acute severe stress. So stress can be related to job or relationship, financial, academic, health related, or any humiliation, loneliness. Also, if there is family history of suicide, then the person will have a tendency to commit suicide. Or any history of abuse, it can be mental abuse, physical abuse, or even sexual abuse. So these are some of the common causes why a person commits suicide. So, homeopathy can help in managing these causes. Homeopathic medicines are very effective in psychiatric problems because the medicine affects the mental state of the person. Thus, the person feels mentally better and also overall better and is able to cope up with the stress in a better way. So, once he is able to cope up with the stress, then automatically the suicidal thoughts will disappear from his mind, right? Homeopathy can also remove the suicidal tendency in a person. So, once the person is able to handle the situation in a better way, then automatically the suicidal thoughts or the suicidal tendency will disappear from the person, thus preventing him from committing suicide. But when we talk about suicide, it is very important to recognize the signs and symptoms at an early stage, right? So sometimes the person himself is aware about what he is going through, or he is having such thoughts, and he can seek help by talking to a family, friend, or if not, if that is not helping, then going to a professional, right? But there are people who will not understand that what they are going through, or or they're having these thoughts or whatever. They're not able to figure out that they're having such symptoms or they're having such thoughts. So in such case, the people around them should notice the behavioral change in a person and talk to that person in a right way. Or even if they're not able to do that, then at least take the person for professional help, right? So identifying the symptom is very important. So about the symptoms of suicide, I've already made a video on that, so you can just go through that video to know what are the symptoms you have to look for. So the conclusion of the video is homeopathy is very effective in prevention of suicide because it can change the mental state of the person and make the person feel overall better. That's all for today's video. I hope this was useful and informative. If it was, then do share it with your friends and family, and remember to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts or any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.